Hello students, we are continuing with lesson 6, the making of a scientist, from our book Footprints Without Feet. And in this chapter we read about Richard Ebereit, who has won numerous awards for biochemistry and molecular biology, and it was all because of his fascination for butterflies. So when he was in his kindergarten, there were no friends to play with him, and he decided it's better to collect the things which can be done all alone. And his mother, she was always there with him to encourage his interest in learning, and she provides everything which he needed. Now when he was in second standard, he collected all the 25 species of butterflies. You might have been observing this chart. So now see, that probably would have been the end of my butterfly collecting, he said. And Richard Ebereit, he said that when the time when he collected all those 25 species of butterflies, it was almost the end of his butterfly collecting. But then my mother got me a children's book called The Travels of Monarch X. But at that time, what happened? His mother, she got him a children's book called The Travels of Monarch X. This monarch, it's also a species of butterflies. That book, which told how monarch butterflies migrate to Central America, opened the world of science to the eager young collector. This eager young collector is Richard Ebereit. So what happened? This book, which was about how monarch butterflies, they migrate to Central America, it opened the world of science for Richard Ebereit. Now, at the end of the book, readers were invited to help study butterfly migrations. And at the end of that book, readers were invited, were asked, were requested to help in studying butterfly migrations. They were asked to tag butterflies for research by Dr. Frederick A. Urquhart of University of Toronto, Canada. So, the readers were asked by Dr. Frederick A. Urquhart of the University of Toronto, Canada, to tag the butterflies for research. Now Ebereit's mother wrote to Dr. Urquhart, and soon Ebereit was attaching light adhesive tags to the wings of monarchs. So his mother, she wrote to Dr. Urquhart, and very soon Ebereit, he started attaching light adhesive means sticky, tags to the wings of monarchs. Anyone who found a tagged butterfly was asked to send the tag to Dr. Urquhart, and those who will find that tagged butterfly, they were also asked to send that tag to Dr. Urquhart. Now the butterfly collecting season around Reading lasts 6 weeks in late summer. See graph below, you can see in this graph what happened, that the butterfly collecting season, it lasts only for 6 weeks in late summer, and if you are going to chase them one by one, you won't catch very many. And suppose you are going to catch the butterflies one by one, it would take too much time and you would not be able to catch so many butterflies. So the next step for Ebereit was to raise a flock of butterflies. So what he did, it's not possible to catch catch many butterflies. So he just wanted, his next step was to raise a flock. Flock mean a group, so many butterflies. So what he did, he would catch a female monarch. He caught a female monarch, take her eggs and raise them in his basement through their life cycle, from egg to caterpillar, and caterpillar to pupa and adult butterfly. So what he did, he just took those egg, he caught a female monarch, he took eggs, and he just would raise them in his basement through their life cycle, from egg to caterpillar to pupa to adult butterfly. Then he would tag the butterflies wings and let them go. After that he started tagging the wings of those butterflies and let them go. For several years his basement was home to thousands of monarchs in different stages of development. And for several years, for many years, the basement of his home, it was a house for his basement, it was a home for thousands of monarchs in different stages of development. Now eventually I began to lose interest in tagging butterflies. At last he lost interest in tagging the butterflies. It is tedious and there is not much feedback, Eberhard said. So Eberhard said that it was tedious. Tedious mean it was slow process and very long, and there was not much feedback, and he also didn't get any feedback. Feedback mean information given by the user, that he kept sending those butterflies but he did not get any response. Then in all the time I did it, he laughed. Only 2 butterflies I had tagged were recaptured and they were not more than 75 miles from where I lived. So he laughed and said that in all the time I did, he worked so hard for tagging those butterflies. He just caught that monarch, raised eggs and observed them from egg to caterpillar to pupa to adult butterfly, and then tagged and sent and all. So but the result was that only 2 butterflies he had tagged. The butterflies he had tagged, from them only 2 butterflies were recaptured, and it was only 75 miles away from the place where he was living. So whatever he did, it didn't give him any result. That's all. Rest we'll do later.